Module-based planning provides complete planning and budgeting solutions for financials, workforce, capital, projects, and strategic modeling. With built-in best practice content including forms, calculations, dashboards, drivers, and key performance indicators. Here are the financials planning tasks configured by the administrator: revenue, expense, balance sheet, cash flow, and analysis. Let's take a look at expense. By default, a pre-built overview dashboard is displayed. You can customize content based on your requirements and preferences. These interactive dashboards are designed to deliver rich data visualizations using real-time data. The financials cards are displayed on top. Here are the vertical tabs in this section: Overview, Forecast Methods, Rolling Forecast, Direct Entry, and Income Statement. The charts and forms in these tabs are pre-built and can be configured as needed. Navigate between sections using the horizontal tabs. You can review income statement data variances between years, periods, and scenarios. In financials, you can plan expenses using 3 methods: driver-based, trend-based, and direct entry. The method you choose depends on the nature of the account and the data available. Driver-based planning allows you to enter assumptions and adjustments, such as cost per event or number of events, and automatically calculates the resulting expense. Let's say you want a 7% increase in cost per event based on the prior year's average, and add 25 additional marketing events. You can enter adjustments at a granular level by expanding periods. The calculated total from your assumptions, based on the prior year's average, plus the 7% increase in cost, can be seen here. Totals are displayed in this column, and updated calculations are reflected in this graph. You can review the calculated expenses based on the driver information here, and enter additional adjustments if needed. Expense driver trends displays variances between years, periods, and scenarios. You can find the prior year and current year's driver trends on this page. Assumptions and adjustments for trend-based expense accounts can be entered similar to driver-based accounts. You can view the calculations and variances for trend-based accounts under Total Expenses Plan and Forecast. Next, let's take a look at direct entry. For accounts that don't use historical trends or business drivers, you can directly enter or edit values. For example, taxes can be entered manually based on the estimates provided by the tax department. You can enter the data directly or run the import process. For other planning tasks, such as revenue, balance sheet, and cash flow, you can follow similar procedures when entering driver-based, trend-based, or manual data. Administrators can enable and configure features within financials on the Configure page. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.